Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy cheesy bread pizza. This is one of those recipes that if you have like leftover bread or just some stale bread lying around the house, this is perfect for it because all we need are 4 slices of white bread. I've taken out the crusts here as well. And then what you want to do is add in your milk. You can use any kind of milk, really. I used full fat milk, but semi-skimmed works fine too. And then give this a good mix with a fork until everything is nicely combined. Then crack in 2 eggs into there. Or you could also use egg whites instead if you wanted something lighter. But yeah, I think whole eggs work best for this recipe. Again, give this another good mix until everything is nice and evenly distributed throughout. Now seasoning wise, I kept things very simple. All I did was add in some salt and pepper, but feel free to get creative with whatever spices you enjoy using. Just remember not to overdo it at first, because once you put on top of the cheese sauce, it might taste quite strong. You can buy pre-grated ones from the supermarket, as long as they're block cheeses. However, I find grating them myself gives me more control over the size of the pieces. It doesn't matter which type of cheese you use either. As long as it melts properly, you should be able to create a delicious cheesy topping. Next up, I added in some cream cheese. Cream cheese has got a lovely tangy flavor about it, which goes so well with the melted cheese. If you haven't tried it before, then definitely give it a go. It makes such a difference. And again, same thing applies here. Feel free to use whatever cheese you prefer. The possibilities are endless. Okay, now that both our cheese and cream cheese are ready, we can start cooking our base. Once hot enough, remove the lid off your bowl and carefully pour the mixture inside onto the pan. Make sure when doing this step that you spread it out evenly across the surface area so nothing sticks together. Let this fry away undisturbed for roughly about 3 minutes per side, depending on how thick your slice of bread is. After flipping halfway through, just keep checking regularly after each minute, since every oven varies slightly differently in terms of temperature settings. Also bear in mind that since these are made from bread, they will burn easily if left unattended for too long without being flipped frequently. While waiting patiently for our pizza bases to finish frying off completely, let's move on to adding our sauces. Here I went ahead and drizzled on some sriracha alongside mayonnaise mixed together for an extra kick of spice. Alternatively though, ketchup would work great too. Alright, time's almost up. Last few steps remaining before we finally dig right into our pizzas. Start layering on your favorite vegetables, starting with finely chopped onions, followed by sliced tomatoes. Season lightly with salt and pepper, according to personal preference levels. Finally, sprinkle generously over lots of shredded cheddar cheese along with mozzarella. Slices cut into quarters. Cover tightly with foil paper while allowing residual heat within the pan itself to melt down the cheese slowly without burning anything beneath it. Remove from heat immediately afterwards. Once fully cooked through thoroughly, allow cooling slightly beforehand serving. Otherwise risk scalding yourselves badly due to excessive steam escaping suddenly when cutting straight into fresh piping hot food items straight away. Okay, now let's take a look at our finished product altogether. Doesn't she look absolutely divine? Oh my goodness. Look at all those beautiful layers stacked upon one. Another perfectly placed atop. Each individual piece of crispy golden brown toast, underneath covering every inch possible, from edge to edge seamlessly. Who else wants to try taking their own bite already? Because I know I certainly do. Well anyway, folks, thanks again for watching till the end. Hope you enjoyed seeing how super simple yet tasty these homemade pizzas turned out looking. Don't forget to drop us likes below if you found value in this video, and consider subscribing too. And lastly, please share feedback via comment section. Worth viewing furthermore. Until next time, everyone stay safe, stay healthy and happy eating. Bye bye. That's actually pretty good.